Choosing between Squarespace and Shopify can feel like comparing two different tools for two very different jobs. Both platforms have their strengths, but they serve different needs, especially when it comes to e-commerce. Let's break down the key differences with a focus on e-commerce functionality and help you figure out which platform is right for your business. And before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick introduction. At IWD Agency, we've been shaping the future of e-commerce for over 15 years, partnering with leading brands like PayPal, Yeti, and Marucci to create innovative and successful online experiences. With a deep understanding of what it takes to build thriving online businesses, we craft tailored solutions that drive growth and deliver real impact. Now, let's dive into the differences between Squarespace and Shopify. When it comes to e-commerce functionality, Shopify is the undisputed leader. It's the world's largest e-commerce platform, powering over 4 million online stores from major brands like Allbirds, Gymshark, and Kylie Cosmetics. Shopify's strength lies in its sole focus on helping businesses sell online. Whether you need advanced inventory management, customizable checkouts, or multi-channel selling, Shopify is equipped to handle the needs of any e-commerce business, big or small. On the other hand, while Squarespace offers e-commerce capabilities, it is first and foremost a website builder. It's ideal for businesses that need a beautiful website with the option to sell a few products on the side. Industries like lawyers, dentists, restaurants, and creatives will find Squarespace's design-first approach perfect for building a professional web presence. However, when it comes to advanced e-commerce features or the ability to scale, Squarespace falls short compared to Shopify. On customizations and flexibility, Shopify is designed to grow with your business. With its extensive app marketplace, Shopify gives you the ability to expand your store's functionality through apps that handle everything from advanced shipping options to customer loyalty programs. Shopify's flexibility means you can customize the platform to meet your exact needs, whether you're just starting out or already running a large multi-channel business. Squarespace, while offering some customization, is far more limited in terms of e-commerce flexibility. Squarespace shines with its pre-designed templates and intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it great for businesses that prioritize aesthetics. However, if you need deeper functionality, like integrating with third-party logistics or setting up a complex inventory system, Squarespace may leave you wanting more. When it comes to selling online, Shopify stands head and shoulders above Squarespace. Shopify supports more than 100 payment gateways, offers multi-currency options, and makes it easy to manage multi-channel selling across social platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Shopify's built-in tools allow you to track orders, manage inventory in real time, and streamline shipping processes, even across multiple warehouses or fulfillment centers. Meanwhile, Squarespace is great for businesses with simpler e-commerce needs. It offers basic product management and payments through Stripe and PayPal, but doesn't have the same level of sophistication as Shopify. If you're a business owner who needs to sell a few products alongside your services, Squarespace will do the job. However, for growing businesses with larger inventories or complex fulfillment processes, Shopify is the better choice. Scalability. If your goal is to scale your business, Shopify is designed for growth. Shopify's infrastructure is built to handle high-traffic events like flash sales and peak shopping seasons with ease. With 99.99% uptime, you won't have to worry about your store going down during critical sales moments. Shopify also offers detailed analytics, marketing tools, and SEO features to help you optimize your store and reach more customers as your business grows. Squarespace works well for smaller businesses or creatives who don't anticipate massive growth in online sales. It's perfect for businesses that need a visually stunning website and light e-commerce capabilities. But if you're expecting your store to grow significantly, Squarespace might feel limiting in terms of its e-commerce power and scalability. When it comes to cost, Squarespace is the more affordable option for those focused on building a basic website, with plans starting at around $16 per month and e-commerce options starting around $46 per month. It's a budget-friendly choice for smaller businesses or individuals who don't need heavy-duty e-commerce features. Shopify starts at $29 per month and can scale up to $299 per month, depending on the features you need. For businesses with high-volume sales or advanced customization needs, Shopify Plus starts at around $2,000 per month. While Shopify's pricing is higher, the platform's ability to grow with your business and its expansive features make it a worthwhile investment for serious e-commerce businesses. Still wondering which platform is right for you? If your primary focus is selling online and you need a platform that will grow with your business, Shopify is the clear winner. With its deep e-commerce functionality, advanced integrations, and scalability, Shopify is the platform of choice for businesses serious about growing their online sales. Squarespace is best suited for businesses that want to create a stunning website with some basic e-commerce capabilities. It's perfect for service-based businesses, creative portfolios, and smaller shops that don't need advanced e-commerce tools or extensive customization options. No matter which platform you choose, IWD Agency is here to help you get the most out of your online store. We've spent over 15 years building customized, high-performing sites for brands of all sizes. Whether you need a robust Shopify store or a beautiful Squarespace website, we have the expertise to help you succeed. Ready to get started? Let's build something amazing together.